Hey, hi, it's Shai. For today's video, I'm gonna do something a little bit different from what we're used to seeing dito, which is to critique an online video content. As tasked by our FIC, I watched episode 183 of Leader Ka K. So Leader Ka K is an online magazine program by DZLD and Combrod SOC that aims to educate and motivate the youth. So the episode I just watched focused on the biodiversity and art, as well as sa art exhibit na ginawa noon or sinagawa noong March, which is Sining Bayan, na nag-showcase ng scientific illustrations of artists. This is really the first time na nakapanood ako ng full episode of Leader Ka K kasi hindi ko siya naaabutan live sa Facebook ng DZLD. I was surprised na mostly yung format nito is the same as our live broadcast for our final task sa DevCom 30. And meron itong mga following na segments, which is K Kabataan, Usapang K, Lesson Portion, K Kwentuhan, Teka Lang, Kaya Mo K, Aba K, K Hustahan, at ang sabi ni Idol for the last segment. Talagang makikita mo dito yung pagiging Los Baños-centered or Laguna-centered nito, prioritizing the local audiences na taga Laguna and especially kabataan, katulad ng mga UP students. So this is also broadcasted via Facebook and streamed on YouTube. Kaya nananatili itong accessible para sa ating mga target audiences. Bukod doon, as a nature of online platforms, the audience becomes educated and aware of art and science in a platform that is flexible and interactive. Overall, I like how each segment was designed to rotate on the two subjects of science and art kasi it was really amazing how they transitioned from one segment about scientific illustration to another by talking about the use of generative AI art. It was also commendable how the hosts talked to each other like they were just nakikipagtrikahan, and even with their audience and experts kasi nga this made my viewing experience much more enjoyable because I felt like I was listening to my friends. Yes, it is a community broadcast program because it assesses the needs of its nearby communities and tailors its content to stimulate the action amongst youth. In this episode, the main lesson derived is the essence of research and art. This reminds us that by extending the arts and science amongst the youth, we create a future that builds on knowledge and creativity.